Let's talk about succession planting sunflowers and the cost of the seeds versus revenue and sales. I'm going to go into how many beds we're planting, how big the beds are, how many seeds per bed, the weeks that we're going to plant, how many weeks, and how many weeks total when we start to get blooms, and then when our last harvest is. This is how we figure how many successions we're going to have. So if I start planting April 1st and I stop planting April 2nd so that I can have blooms out until the end of October, which will be my last harvest. This is 23 weeks total. And we're planting every 3 weeks, every 2 weeks in 5 beds. So here's 5 beds. We're going to plant week 1, plant again, 2 weeks later, week 3, plant again, 2 weeks later to week 5, plant again 2 weeks later on week 7, 2 weeks later, week 9, and the same. 11, week 11, week 13, week 15, week 17, week 19, 21, and 23. That is 12 successions. And I am planting in 4-foot beds by 50 foot, planting every 6 inches. So I'll plant 8 wide and 200 long, with a total of 1,600 in each bed. White light, plum, red, white night, red lemon bicolor, gold light, and peach. So in week 1, I'm going to plant 400 white light, 400 white night, 400 plum, 400 peach. Week 3, week 5, week 7, and week 9 are all the same. Week 11, I'm going to start planting darker colors for the fall. So it'll be 200 white light, 400 white night, 400 plum, 400 red, 200 gold light. And I'm going to do that for week 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Week 21 and 23, I'm planting 400 white light, 400 white night, 400 red lemon, 400 red for those 2 weeks. Those week 21 and week 23. To figure my profit, I multiplied my 12-week succession by 1,600 blooms, because every 2 weeks I'll get 1,600 blooms out of one bed. So over the 12-week successions, I'll have 19,200 blooms. Selling to the general public is $2 a stem. Florist or wholesale is $1.25. So if I sold 19,200 to the general public at $2 a stem, it would be $38,400. If I sold wholesale to florist, 19,200 stems at $1.25 each, it'd be $24,000. Now, you want to calculate a 20% loss. So 20% loss to the general public is $30,720. 20% loss, wholesaler florist, is going to be $19,200. To figure out the average of these two, I added the two numbers together and then divided by 2. And that gave me $24,960, and that's at a 20% loss. That's profit. Now, the cost for the seeds, for ProCut seeds, for 1,000, I paid $39.99. So I'll need 19,000 seeds over the total 12-week successions be $759 plus another 200 seeds, because the total seeds that I'll need are 19,200. So that total right here for the total cost of the seeds is $769.81.